Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to rename your CapCut projects. So here I've already opened my CapCut and here are the list of my projects. And to rename the project, you can just click on the three dots icon beside the name of your project. So for example, I want to change the one from this project, so just click on the three dots icon and you'll find rename option. Click on that, and here just enter the project name that you want, example like that, and then click on OK. And after that, your video will be your project will be renamed and the name will be changed. Okay, so that's all for me. I hope this tutorial will be helpful. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to click like, subscribe, comment, and click on the thanks below. I'll catch you all in the next videos. Bye.